Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn We Detect Unusual Activity message new method 2025. First, log out and then log out by going to the app, click on your profile, go to settings, scroll down and click on sign out option. After that, close LinkedIn completely and reopen to clear temporary glitches. After that, verify your account. LinkedIn will prompt you to confirm your email, phone number or identity. Follow the instructions carefully. After that, change your password. Go to settings, scroll down and then look for the change your password option, which can also be in the sign in option. Now you can either create a passkey. If you have your passkey already, then you will have to verify it. After that, change it. Privacy tip: only use official LinkedIn app or website links for verification to avoid phishing scams. Quick fix: if the message proceeds, clear Safari cache settings, Safari clear history, website data. Restart your phone and log in again. Contact LinkedIn support if unusual activities alerts continue. And that's it. Subscribe for more.